Module 1.8 is getting pretty close to the end, so we're practicing finding what comes next in the sequence and then skipping to the explicit, what comes later. And so for every table, you're going to say in words how to find the next term in the sequence. You're going to write a recursive. You're going to say in words how the recursive rule is going to help you write an explicit. Then you're going to write an explicit, and you're going to decide if it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So one thing that always confuses students is that example. They always think it's number 1, which is not. So this one is done for you, just so you know. So we're looking at the table, and I'm just going to see what's happening. So from 5 to 8 could be adding 3, and then let's see, is 8 plus 3, 11? And then, yep, so I'm going to say, oh, hey, this pattern is adding 3. So it says the first one, to find the next term, add 3 to the previous term. So that's what I would write, just say add 3. And then I'm going to use that to write my recursive. So they tell us that the starting input is 0, which they have here, and that the starting output is 5, which they have here. And then they tell us f of n equals f of n minus 1 plus 3, which is the action. So that was our recursive for that table. And then to find any term, so this is in words, how do you find the nth term? Start with 5, add 3, n times. So I'm going to write my explicit rule. F of n equals 5 plus 3, n. And since it's adding, it's arithmetic. So that's what you're going to do for each of these problems. And you're going to do function A, function B, function D, and function G. And there's some videos, I think, in the formative if you get stuck.